Hello and welcome to TechRoot with Sushil Mehta, where we explore the fascinating world of networking. This channel is your go-to resource for all things tech, and in this episode we're tackling the complex yet captivating OSI model. Today, we delve deep into the OSI model, the 7-layer architecture that forms the backbone of network communication. Firstly, OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection. It's a reference model for how applications communicate over a network. Think of it as a blueprint for data to travel over the internet. The OSI model is crucial because it helps standardize and compartmentalize the complex processes involved in data transmission. It's composed of 7 layers, each with a distinct function. Starting from the bottom, we have the physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application layers. From converting binary data into electrical signals, establishing network paths, managing data transfer, to presenting data in a usable format for applications, each layer has its own role to play. Each layer has a unique role, working together to transmit data from one place to another. Starting from the bottom, the first layer is the physical layer. This is the foundation of the OSI model, where the rubber meets the road, or more accurately, where data meets the wire. It's all about the physical aspects of data transmission, whether it's through a copper cable, fiber optics, or even radio waves. Think of it as the highway for our data. Moving up, we have the data link layer. This layer is like the traffic control center managing the flow of data packets. It ensures they are sent and received without collision or error. It's also responsible for addressing so each packet gets to its correct destination. The third layer in our journey is the network layer. This is where things get more complex. It's like the GPS of our data, responsible for routing and transferring data across networks, deciding the most efficient path for each packet to take. These first 3 layers lay the groundwork for data transmission, but there's more to it. Moving up, we encounter the transport layer, the heart of the OSI model. The transport layer is responsible for end-to-end communication, ensuring data is delivered in sequence and without errors. It's like a reliable postman who ensures your letters reach their destination safely. Next, we have the session layer, which establishes, manages, and terminates connections between applications. Imagine it as the manager of a call center, directing calls to the right department. Up next is the presentation layer. This is the translator of the model, converting data into a format that the application layer can understand. It's like the interpreter at an international conference, ensuring everyone speaks the same language. Finally, we reach the top of the model, the application layer. This layer is the interface between the network and the software applications, like your web browser or email client. These upper layers ensure data is delivered correctly and can be understood by the receiving application. The OSI model is like a well-oiled machine, with each layer playing a crucial part in network communication. From the physical layer's role in transmitting raw bit streams to the application layer's function in network services, each layer contributes uniquely to the overall process. We've delved into each of these layers, shedding light on their intricate mechanisms. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the OSI model. Remember, understanding this model is key to mastering network communication. Stay tuned for more exciting topics on TechRoot with Sushil Mehta.